Let's coordinate with our movement as well. So inhale, our brush coming back. Exhale, we are creating. And inhale, coming back. And exhale. Inhale. And next time, I'm coming back to the center. I will touch down. And let's do our come back home spiral. So our brush is upright. And we are feeling the touching, the rubbing on the page until we are back to the center. And back again. Okay? So how's your spiral today? Mine totally looks different than the one yesterday or the last time. So again, there's no good and no bad about your spiral because it just honestly mirrored the moment we had when we are drawing this spiral. So every spiral is beautiful and every spiral is real and true for yourself. However, we can let it go when we had the reflection, when we are ready. If you are using a paper, I will show you how to make the guidelines. It's very simple. This is an example for an A4 size of paper. So what you can do is fold the paper in the middle and fold it again. So we don't have to tap it too firmly. So you just make a mark here. Okay, and then you can open once and fold to the other side, up and down, make a mark, and just gently fold again. So here, the last one, I made a mistake. Last one, you have to make the 3 squares, I think, to make it a square. Okay, as you can see, so for A4 size paper. So it's not perfect, but you can see there are some marks, can guide you. The squares here. Okay. I will show you from here with the guideline. As you can see, the red lines. I will use 2 boxes here for this exercise. Okay, first, to make it more clear, I will mark the point. Okay, so you see each one, there is a diagonal point. So for this one, the first one goes to the first one, the second one goes to the second one, and the third one. Okay, so I start my brush at the first point, the point 1, push down, and then join the other point. And again, my brush come back to the 2, push down, and connect to the point 2. And again, 3, push down, Inhale is the same. Exhale, push down. Again, inhale, exhale. So that's the direction from rightward and downward to the left. Okay, and afterwards it's the same idea, and we will do from this direction. We'll do the rightward. So I start from this position. Inhale, exhale, we connect these 2 points. Inhale and exhale. So until we connect all the point from the other direction. So the other direction is start from the left corner and downward, connecting to the right side. And then you will have your breakfast waffle. Okay, so it might sound a little bit like mathematics, but once you get into it, it's very meditating. So you follow the line and with your inhale and exhale. Okay, if you don't have the boxes, that's fine, totally fine. You just do the lines a few times and cross it the other direction. Okay. Now let's review another stroke. We did the last time the practice is a vertical stroke, and this time we're gonna review with the last part is joint with the hook. So there's a small movement. We will review that this time as well. So we reviewed last time the 1 and 2. So here it's joined with a sliding to prepare for the hook. Did you notice something? Yes, the movement here. So there is a slight movement when our brush goes to this direction, and we sit here for a while, for a moment, and let our brush get ready for the sweeping off. You see, all my strength is collecting to one point while my brush continues the movement. So here you probably will find the brush sometimes is rotating, like it's rotating. So just take some time, just take the time, and your brush, it will do the work. So we'll trust our brush, sliding and preparing. At the same time, lift the brush and just let the brush do the work. Once it's collecting to the point, it will sweeping off. So it happens by itself. We just pay attention and lift the brush. Okay, let's try this movement. If you like the way I teach and are interested in learning East Asia calligraphy, please check out our online program, The Meditative Art of East Asia Calligraphy. The link is in the description. I'm looking forward to practicing with you.